Hey Daniel, how's everything going at work?
Hey Sam, it's going really well, thanks. I'm still teaching electronics and technology at the high school.
That's awesome. What exactly do you teach your students?
Well, I teach them how to repair electronic devices, how to program circuits, and also how to build basic robotics projects.
Wow, that sounds so interesting. Do the students enjoy it?
Yeah, especially when we work on hands-on projects. I love seeing how they get excited when something works. It makes me feel proud.
I bet it does. So, you really love electronics, huh?
Absolutely. I love it because it's all about technology and it keeps me up to date with the latest trends. It's a field that's always growing and changing.
That's true. And it must be satisfying to inspire students to explore those areas.
Yes, some of them even tell me they want to study engineering after high school. That's the best part of my job.
That's amazing. So, what's a typical day like for you?
I get to school around 7:30 a.m., prepare my materials, and teach from 8 to 2 o'clock. Between classes, I help students with their personal projects or guide them in the lab. And you? How's your work at the law firm?
Busy, as always. As a lawyer, my days are pretty full. I usually get to the office around 8:30 a.m.
What do you do first?
I check my emails, review client cases, and then I usually meet with clients or prepare legal documents. Sometimes I have to go to court for hearings or trials.
That sounds intense. Do you like it?
I do. It's stressful sometimes, but I love helping people solve problems and defend their rights. It's challenging, but very rewarding.
I admire that. It takes a lot of focus and responsibility to do what you do.
Thanks, Daniel. But I think teaching is just as challenging. You're shaping the future generation.
True. We both work in jobs that impact lives in different ways.
Exactly. And we both need a lot of patience and passion.
That's right. So, what do you do after work?
I usually stay a bit longer at the office to finish paperwork, then go home around 6 p.m. Sometimes I bring work with me, but I try to relax when I can.
I try to leave school by 3:30, but sometimes I stay late if students need help.
It's good that we both enjoy our work. That makes a big difference.
Definitely. It doesn't feel like a job when you love what you do.
So true. Let's catch up again soon and talk more about our projects.
Sounds good. Sam, take care and good luck with your cases.
And you too with your students and robots.